Good morning, children. Children, uh, today I am going to discuss with the few of the points of types of matrices. Okay. See, my first video consists of three parts. Okay, three parts. Out of which I could upload first and third, but because of some technical reason, I couldn't upload second one. Okay. That's why I am repeating it again. It is part 2 of lecture 1 matrices. Okay, children. So let us start with square matrix. Square matrix, you know. For example, let A be a square matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. We have already discussed. Just I am taking revision. Okay. Order of this matrix is 3 by 3. 3 rows and 3, 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay, children. Next, diagonal matrix. What do you mean by diagonal matrix over here? In diagonal matrix, all the elements apart from principal diagonal should be non-zero. For example, 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 0, 9. You can see this is diagonal matrix, means all the elements which belongs to non-principal diagonal place. This is principal diagonal 1, 3, 9. So all these elements should be 0. And scalar matrix also we have discussed. It is also a square matrix only. See, इसका भी order 3 by 3 है. Scalar matrix. In this case also, non-principal diagonal elements are 0. But what is difference between diagonal and scalar? In this case, all these principal diagonal elements are equal, same है. Suppose I am taking 2. Then here also I have to take 2. Once again here I will have to take 2. 3 by 3. Okay. Now let us come to identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix is also a square matrix as well as a diagonal matrix as well as scalar matrix. But there is some more speciality is there. What is the speciality of identity matrix? This one. See, children, no doubt it is a square matrix. No doubt it is a diagonal matrix also because non-diagonal elements are 0. No doubt it is a scalar matrix because principal diagonal elements are equal. But what is speciality over here? These all elements are equal but they are equal to 1 and only 1. ठीक है? ये हो गया आपका 3 by 3. Then we can draw this Venn diagram. See, outermost circle represent square matrix. It represents square matrix, children. This second circle, it represents diagonal matrix. Okay, children? Diagonal matrix. Then this third one inside this circle represent scalar matrix. Okay? And this innermost, ये कौन सा रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? It represent identity matrix. Square matrix outermost, then diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, then identity matrix. Okay? Note it down. Now, children, let us discuss upper triangular matrix. What do you mean by upper triangular matrix? Let A be a matrix. I am writing example of upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means a matrix where all the elements where all the elements below principal diagonal should be equals to 0. Let A be a matrix 2, 3, 4, 0, 6, 7, 0, 0, 9. You can see children, all the elements below principal diagonal, this is principal diagonal, are 0. This is example of upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix में प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल के नीचे के जो एलिमेंट्स है ये होते हैं 0. इज इट क्लियर? दिस वन आई विल टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स ऑल्सो. लेट बी बी अ मैट्रिक्स 2, 3, 0, 4. It is also an example of upper triangular matrix. Order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Clear? Similarly, we will discuss lower triangular matrix. Just you think, what is lower triangular matrix over here? In lower triangular matrix, all the elements above principal diagonal should be equals to 0. Let us write down one example. A equals to 2, 0, 0, 4, 3, 0 and 2, 9, 6. Okay, you can see this is lower triangular matrix. All the elements above principal diagonal are 0. This one. One question may come in your mind कि what about these elements? These should be 0. We know here also these 3 elements should be 0. What about these elements? See children, they may have 0 or non-zero value also. But condition is that in case of upper triangular, these elements below principal diagonal should be, it must be 0. In case of lower, elements above principal diagonal must be 0 and only 0. यहाँ पे कंपल्सन है, यहाँ पे दूसरा भी चलेगा. ठीक है, आप सिमिलरली 2 by 2 का ले सकते हो. b इक्वल्स टू 1, 0, 9, 6. ये 2 by 2 का ले लिया. डन. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कम टू डिस्कस ट्रांसपोज ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स? I am taking same matrix. This is matrix A, same matrix I am taking. What is transpose of this one? A transpose. क्या होगा यहाँ पे? मैंने सेम लिया यहाँ पे. तो A transpose will be, actually to get transpose of a matrix we are supposed to interchange rows and columns. Rows and columns. So see, this one is first row 2, 3, 4. Now I will write it in first column. 2, 3, 4. 0, 6, 7 belongs to second row. I will write in first column. 0, 6, 7. 0, 0, 9 belongs to third row. I will write in third column. 0, 0, 9. ठीक है? तो this is transpose of matrix. Similarly आप यहाँ भी लिख सकते हो. I am taking new example. I want to explain something, that's why I am taking. Suppose C is a matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1. What about its transpose? Its transpose. I will write C. ठीक है? Transpose. First row will become first column 2, 3. Okay? Second row will become second column 4, 5. Third row will become third column. Why I gave this example, you know, just to explain what is the change in order after transforming it into its transpose. Change क्या हो रहा है order में, इसलिए मैंने example C का लिया. See, here you can see order of matrix is 3 by 3. Order of its transpose is also 3 by 3 because it's a square matrix. But here order of this matrix C, it is 3 rows and 2 columns. You can see, and in this case it is number of rows are 2 and number of columns are 3. Means children, in general I can say If order of matrix A is m by n, then its transpose, order of its transpose is going to be n by m. क्लियर हुआ? अगर m का A का ऑर्डर आपका m by n हुआ तो इसके ट्रांसपोज का ऑर्डर होगा n by m. इसीलिए मैंने आपको ये दिया जहाँ पे स्क्वायर नहीं था. ठीक है, मीन्स ऑर्डर चेंज होता है ट्रांसपोज के केस में, बट इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग ओवर हियर. यहाँ पर आते हैं सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. ये चीज़ें आपको लगेगी वाइल सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ 12th स्टैंडर्ड. व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स? अ मैट्रिक्स इज सेड टू बी सिंगुलर. A matrix is said to be singular if its determinant is equals to 0. Okay. Let me take example. Let A equal to 2, 3, 4, 6. Let us find its determinant. You know how to find determinant? In 11th we have solved. Determinant of A is 2 into 6, that is 12, minus 3 into 4, that is 12, which is equals to 0. Means it is example of singular matrix. Let me take another example. B 3, 4, 6, 1. What about its determinant, children? 3 into 1, that is 3, minus 6 into 4, that is 24. Answer is minus 21. Is it equals to 0? It is not equals to 0. That means this is not an example of singular matrix. Is it clear? Clear हो गया? Upper triangular, lower triangular, transpose of a matrix and singular matrix. Please write it down. Algebra of matrices, children. First one, equality of matrices. Okay, equality of matrices. When two matrices are said to be equal, two matrices are said to be equal when their corresponding elements are same. I will take one example. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay, B equals to 1, 2, 3, 0. And C equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us check these two matrices are equal over here. Children, you can see matrix A and B are equal. It's clear because their corresponding elements are same. I can say A11 equals to B11, A12 equals to B12, A21 equals to B21, A22 equals to B22. Means in general I can say if Aij is equals to Bij for all Ij, then two matrices are said to be equal. तो यहाँ जो example है, in this case A is equal to B. I can say कि A is equal to B. ठीक है ना? What about this C? If I compare A with C, are they equal? They are not equal, children. Because of this, means I can say कि A is not equal to C. Why? Why they are not equal? Because there exists one element, and that element is, I can say, A2, second row, second column. That means A22 is not equals to B22. Sorry, it is not B, it is C, na? We are discussing about C. A22 is not equal to C22. That's why I can say कि matrix A is not equal to matrix C. Is it clear? When two matrices are said to be equal and when they are not equal. चलो आगे डिस्कस करते हैं. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Let matrix A 1, 3, 4, 0, 2, minus 6. Let K be a scalar और K का वैल्यू मैं 2 लेती हूँ. ठीक है. I I will multiply this matrix with this scalar. Means what I will do? I am finding Ka. So K is 2. A over here is 1, 3, 4, 0, 2, minus 6. When we are multiplying a scalar with a matrix, that means we are supposed to multiply this scalar value with each and every elements of that matrix. तो ये आपके मैट्रिक्स क्या हो जाएगा? न्यू मैट्रिक्स 2 1s are 2, here 6, 8, 0, 4, minus 12. ये क्लियर हुआ? This is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Similarly, children, suppose this is a new matrix. Suppose I am taking it as B. I can take out 2 common from here. So in matrix, if you are taking scalar common, means we should take that scalar from each and every elements. From each and every element. ठीक है? समझ में आया? ठीक. Now we will discuss about addition of 2 matrices. How to add 2 matrices. Just take it down. Children, addition of 2 matrices. Let A be a matrix 1, 2, minus 9, 0, 6, 3. Okay? And B be a matrix 0, 1, 9, 2, 3, 4. Suppose children, I am adding these 2 matrices A and B. I am adding these 2 matrices A and B, A plus B. We will write this plus this. I am writing answer, it's very simple. When we are adding 2 matrices, their corresponding elements should be added. Same position पे जो elements होते हैं उसको हम add करते हैं. This one A11, first row, first column. It also belongs to first row, first column. Matrix B के corresponding elements को हम लोग add करते जाएंगे. So let us do it. 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, minus 9 plus 9. Here it is 0 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 0 plus 2, 6 plus 3. ये रहा. 3 plus 4. ये रहा. ठीक है ना? Our answer is 1, 3, 0, 2, 9, 3 plus 4, 7. ठीक है? Just see children, what is order of matrix A over here? Order of this matrix is, here it is 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. Second matrix is 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, I think you cannot see, I am writing over here. Its order is 2 by 3. Okay? Now, order of this A plus B is also 2 by 3. I will take second example, then we will discuss about its order. ठीक है? इस साइड में मैं यहाँ पे second example लेती हूँ. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 9 and B equals to 2, 3, 6, 0. What is order of this matrix? Order of first matrix is 2 by 3. Order of second matrix is 2 by 2. Let us start adding. Let us see whether we can add it or not. A plus B equals to 1 will go with 2. 1 plus 2. 2 with 3. 2 plus 3. What about this 3? We are not having any element in B. Question mark. Okay, 4 with 6. 0 with 0. Again same problem. Question mark. That means children, what do we conclude from these 2 examples? Ki 2 matrices can be added. We can add 2 matrices if and only if their orders are equal. जब उनके orders equal होंगे तो ही हम उसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पे हम ऐड कर सके क्या? नहीं ना, यहाँ पे एडिशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो आपको यहाँ बोलना है क्या, मैट्रिसेस कैन बी एडेड इफ एंड ओनली देयर ऑर्डर्स आर सेम. तो प्लीज टेक इट डाउन. So children, here we have completed till third and fourth one is multiplication of matrices that is covered in my third video. जो third video है उसमें covered